Here, raw materials arrive at the factory, where each ingredient is carefully received, checked. Every ingredient is carefully identified and inspected to ensure it meets strict quality and food safety standards before entering production. The approved ingredients are stored in clean, controlled conditions, protecting their quality until they are needed for production. Flour is automatically transferred through a sealed feeding system, delivering a precise and continuous supply to the wafer production line. Sugar and other dry ingredients are precisely measured and metered, ensuring the correct proportions for consistent wafer production. The measured ingredients are carefully blended together, creating a smooth and consistent wafer batter ready for baking. The finished wafer batter is transferred to the baking line, where precise portions are evenly deposited onto heated plates. The batter spreads evenly across heated plates, forming thin wafer sheets with a uniform texture and consistent thickness. The wafer sheets pass through controlled baking temperatures, developing their crisp texture and light golden color. Freshly baked wafer sheets emerge from the oven and move smoothly along the conveyor for cooling and further processing. The hot wafer sheets are gently cooled under controlled conditions, stabilizing their texture before the next production stage. The cooled wafer sheets are carefully inspected to ensure consistent thickness, texture, and quality before moving forward. Only uniform wafer sheets are selected, while any pieces that fail quality standards are removed from the production line. The approved wafer sheets are stacked precisely, creating uniform layers ready for the next stage of production. Each wafer stack is carefully aligned, ensuring the layers remain straight and evenly positioned throughout the process. A smooth chocolate filling is prepared and evenly distributed between the wafer layers to create the familiar layered structure.